Upper screws.
Open the hood. Remove the hood catch by pulling out the safety catch and removing the lever. Unhook the top cover at the front and then pull it out to the front. Remove the 4 screws underneath.
Lower screws.
On the bottom side, simply remove all screws that are screwed to the back of the cover.
Screws to the wheel housing liner.
The bumper is screwed to the wheelhouse liner with 3 screws each. However, you should also remove a few screws from the wheelhouse liner to make it easier to fold it away later. After the screws have been removed, the wheelhouse liner can be folded away a little.
Expanding rivet to the fender.
At the rear end, the bumper is attached to the fender with a plastic expanding rivet. Lever out the outer part of the rivet and then pull out the outer part.
Screws to the fender.
On the inside, the bumper is still attached to the fender with a Torx 30 screw. After this screw has been removed, the bumper can be pulled out of the guide from the side. On the left side is the central plug for the electrical system. Pull the plug out of the guide, press the lock and unplug. Now you can remove the bumper.
Replacing the parking sensors.
Push the 2 holders of the sensor a little to the side. Down T-bend. Press the sensor from the outside with your finger and remove it from the holder. To disconnect, pull the white lock back a bit and press it. Be careful not to lose the rubber seal. That's it. Good luck with your project.